Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we will be going over the law of cosines. So, in last video, we went over how to find a missing side and a missing angle with the law of sines. In today's example, it will be very similar, but it's not quite the same. So, these are the formulas that you'll need to know in order to complete the problems, okay? These three formulas right here. So, let's do an example. Let's say you had a triangle ABC, and let's say you are given 2 out of 3 of the sides. So you're given this side is 2.9, that side is zero point 0.9, and this side is x, and we call it x because we don't know what it is. So if I want to find that missing side, I would use one of these equations, right? So don't be confused by the ABC. It's the same process. So because X is the side we care about, I'm just going to take one of these formulas and I'm going to substitute with what we're given. So instead of saying A, B, and C, let's keep it simple. I'm trying to find X, right? So I'll use X. X squared equals, and what two sides are we given? We're given 2.9 and we're given 0.9. So it will be x squared equals 2.9 squared plus 0.9 squared minus 2 times 2.9 times 0.9 times cosine of the angle. And in this case, the angle is 44 degrees. Okay? So it looks really, really confusing when we start off, right? These crazy equations, students often get overwhelmed when they see these equations. But when you just realize, hey, it's just to find one of the missing angles or one of the missing sides. In this case, the missing side is x. And we say, okay, well, x equals all of this stuff, and all of that stuff is given to you. Then it's basic algebra, right? So at this point, all you need to do is get x by itself. So how do we get rid of that exponent? What is the opposite of the exponent? Well, the opposite of the exponent, how do we get rid of it? You just take the square root of both sides, okay? So now we have x equals all of that stuff squared. So hopefully your teacher allows you to use a calculator. If not, it might take you a while, but after you input that into a calculator or do it by hand, you should get that x equals approximately 2.3. There we go.